Hi, it's Jay and Rodion, and we're here. And Jay made a puzzle box, an awesome puzzle box, and we're going to be building it for you today.
Yep. So he also built one, but this is in a separate video. So let's get started on mine, right?
Yeah. So the pieces you will need are 2 4x4 flat.
Two 2x4 bricks.
2x3.
2x3 bricks. 2x3.
6 1x4 bricks. They're like this. These kind.
If you saw our last puzzle box video, unlike that, we won't have any pieces missing. So
We'll try not to.
We don't. 1x4, and 1x4 tile, and this is a flat 1x4. And you need 4 2x4s bricks. 4 2x4s. So
You're gonna
bricks.
You're gonna need 10 of these flat 1x2s.
1 grill.
Or dollar bill, or
something that's like a tile, basically a 1x2 tile. You can use whatever.
That's counts as treasure.
Yes. 2 1x4s. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 1x2 tiles. So, oh no. These kind tiles. They don't have to be blue, but I just chose those.
1x1 brick.
One 1x1 brick and 1 2x4 flat.
1 1x1
Circle thingy.
Circle. Well, it doesn't have to be a circle. Just a 1x1 flat tile.
Oh, does it have to be a tile?
Yeah.
1.
We already did that brick.
1 1x1. If you don't see it, 1 1x1 and 1 1x1 flat.
And
that's all the pieces. And if you need it, a brake separator. I mean, you don't really need it because we're building, not separating. So let's get started.
And I don't even know how to build this puzzle box, so I am going to disappear.
So first, you will need this 4x4, and you will need 4 of the 6 1x4s. Well, actually, no, you'll need 2. Sorry, you'll need 2. And then you'll place them side by side each other. So you would place them like this, side by side, doesn't matter. So it would look like a 2x4 brick, except we didn't get those because, why would we want those? And then, what else do you need? You need a 1x4 tile. You place it. Second, you place it right next to the 2 1x4s that are placed right next to each other, and then you take. Let's see, what was it? It was a tile of some sort. I think it was one of these. So yeah, you take one of your tiles and you place it like that. So that should be the base of your key that you make. So we'll put that to the side. We will get one of our 1x4s. You'll need 3 of these. We put this to the side for some reason. You'll need 3 1x4s, but just grab one of those 3. And then you will make your key. So you will take one of your tiles and put them like that. So you got an L basically. And then you take one of your 1x2s and make it like this so you can connect. And then you get 2 of your 1x2s, 1x2 tiles, and then you just snap them in place like that. So that's going to be the key, the main one. And this one will have 2 keys in it. One will be a fake one, and one will be one will be a fake one will be a real one. So this is how it should look once you have the tiles in, and it should slide just fine. So we'll set these 2 things to this. Wait, actually, no, we won't set them to the side. Take one of your 1x2s, and then start building up. So you take another 3x2, put it on top of the 1x2, and then you'll take one of your 1x4s, put it right here, like that. So there's only that 2 space. And yeah, put the key to the side if you're wondering where it goes. And then use another 1x2. Just keep piling up until you think it is enough. So I'm going to pile up here, like so. And then, so just keep piling and, keep piling and piling until you think it's enough, So you can use any piece, going crazy with it. And make sure there's a little hole right there for the key. And by now you can probably put the key in. Well, no, you can't put the key in yet, because you have to have something to cover it. But you can put the key in to, just for it there, just to have it in there. And then I'm going to do one more layer. Let's see here. 1 second. Got a piece of mine stuck together that I don't want it to be stuck. Anyway, then you go like this, like that. Do that again, and again. You should have it kind of tall, like maybe that tall. And then make another key. So 3 1x2 tiles, like that. Another 1x4. And you can make this key whenever you want. You can make it right now. You can make it whenever you want. Just, yeah. Use one of your 1x2. Let's see here. So, have our key again. Try and put in that hole. So that one won't come out, but that one will. Anywho, keep one key to the side for later. And then you will have this stacked up like that. And then what did I do? I will use this like that. Need to cover up my thing with something. My whatchamacallit, key. And I forgot to do that. So, dumb. Anyways, there you go. There. So, key should be in place. Can't fall out. Not too tight, not too loose. So, yeah. Then you just keep piling up until you get to that height again. Well, not again, but I had to take mine apart. And save one 1x4 brick for later because you'll need it. So don't lose. So yeah. Rodion, can you hand me two 2x3s?
Two 2x3s. Okay, here. Catch this.
What? This. Sorry, guys, we're missing a few pieces here.
You said you wouldn't get any missing. And plus, I reappeared.
Yeah, he reappeared somehow. Can I have another one, please? Oh wait, no, never mind. There you go. And then we go like this. So you should have it like that. And then what do we do? You take, yes. So
after you're done with this puzzle box, I want you to read this message I found.
So you take this, what you call it? This 1x1 circle thingy mabobber. Don't care what it is. And don't know. Don't care. So yeah. And then you place down a tile, 1x2. Snap it in there. So this is what it should look like. The end, like that. And have something right here and right there. Just block it off. Okay. And then you'll get it ready. Get this 2x1 and 1x, a 1x1, and put the grill on the 1x1. Make sure it's not crooked. And then it should look like this or whatever. You can use a 1x3 if you have any, but we just recommended these pieces because I don't think I have one. I don't have one out right now on my table. So this is what it should look like. Put that in right here. So right there. And then we'll put that to and then we won't put it to the side. You take your 1x1 brick and then you put it right there so it can't go nowhere. Now we'll put that to the side for like a few minutes. Depends on how fast you build, obviously. And then you'll take your other key, okay, and you'll just put it like this without a tile because it's not supposed to move. So, got it like that. And then you take it and put it on this 1x1. And when you do solve it, and you're trying to solve it, you do have to lift it up a little, like that, so it can come out. And it might fall out sometimes, and it might not. Doesn't matter. I mean, for you it might, but for me it doesn't because I can make it not fall out. So then you take it and just pile up whatever bricks you have left. So I will be doing that in the meantime while you guys also do that. Okay. Thingamabobber. Okay. Connect that like that. This like so. That like that. Let's see. Okay. Can I have a 2x3? A 2x4?
2x4. Okay, here, let me find one. Okay? I'll just try and toss it onto your table. Oh.
Got it. Okay, so another 2x4. You put it on like this, like a canopy for the thing. And then you can use this flat 2x4. Don't have to. But I just haven't used it yet. And if you have, it doesn't matter because they're already connected, kind of. Just connect them for extra strength. And then, 1 second. Things having mechanical difficulties. Then, you take your piece, 4x4, last one, and put it on top. So, here's how it should look when it is finished. It might look a little bit crooked. Whoopsie daisy.
Okay, Jay, are you done?
Almost. And then, to solve it, you take this key down here, right there. You put it, well, first you don't put it nowhere because look, the treasure is not reachable. So then that's where the braking comes in. You lift it up a little bit, stick it on there, and there you have it. And just tough one to put back. Well, it's not really tough. Then you just put it back like you normally would and connect all the pieces.
Hey, Jay.
So that is how you build this, whatever you want to call it, puzzle box. In only under 19 minutes. So thank you guys for watching. Rodian's going to do this next video. Comment down below.
I have a message for you.
Comment down below what we should do next.
I have a message for you.
Here's a message for me.
It says this weird thing right here. Here,
S.
Put it down here. Oh, you can't see it. Okay. So S. And then it says a U. And then here.
US.
No, SU. And then the next ones I found were B and S.
SUBS. I wonder what he doing.
CR.
SUBSCR. SUBSCR.
IB.
IB.
And the last one is E.
And what does that spell?
I don't know. It says, interesting. Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Whoa, interesting.
How did that happen?
I don't know, it just appeared on the floor.
So, well, thank you, Legos, for saying that because I forgot. Don't forget to subscribe and like. See you guys next time.
Smash it.
Bye.